In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract shapes in Figma, which is essential for creating complex designs out of simple elements. Whether you're working on a logo, a layout, or a graphic with intricate details, knowing how to subtract shapes efficiently can make your design process smoother and more effective. First, let's head over to Figma, which is renowned as a collaborative interface design tool. If you're not familiar with Figma, it's a powerful platform used by designers around the world for creating websites, apps, and a myriad of digital products. Once you arrive at the Figma website, you'll notice that you're on the main page. Look for the login button and go ahead and click on it. Enter your credentials to access your dashboard where all your files and projects live. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Figma home. This is where you'll find your recent projects and files, allowing you to effortlessly pick up where you left off. From the homepage, navigate to the design area. This is the core section where all the magic happens. Once you're in the design workspace, you'll have the tools and canvas ready for your creative endeavors. Now, let's proceed by selecting a shape. This could be any basic shape like a rectangle, circle, or any polygon that suits your design needs. Once you've chosen a shape, it's time to explore Figma's powerful Boolean operations. The Boolean operations are located in the top menu and are crucial for modifying and combining shapes in versatile ways. Click on the Boolean operation button to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for shaping your design elements. For today's lesson, our main focus is the subtract operation. Once you are in the Boolean menu, look for the subtract function and click on it. This operation allows you to precisely remove one shape from another, giving you the ability to create unique and custom designs. As you apply the subtract operation, you'll witness one shape being carved out from the other, helping you achieve the desired look and feel for your project. Understanding and mastering these steps ensure that you have the foundational skills to handle more intricate and detailed design tasks in Figma. By subtracting shapes efficiently, you'll enhance your ability to manipulate and craft designs that are not just visually appealing, but also strategically aligned with your design goals. And there you have it. You've just learned how to subtract shapes in Figma, an essential skill for any aspiring designer. Keep exploring different shapes and combinations, and you'll be able to create complex and sophisticated designs with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try experimenting with this technique in your next creative project. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.